Max hooked up. Yeah, she hooked up with a better one.
He's fucking running too.
You could tighten the drag a little bit on it. I think it's a striper, this one.
He said, what are you using?
Oh, it's anchovy? You're at the right spot of the river for the bin. We got 2 catfish already.
This is a striper.
This is a better one. Roud's right there. Matt hooked up.
Yeah.
Learning how to set hooks and shit. You gonna hold it way off to the left, honey? Cause yep. Pointing up, out left, you're doing perfect. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's a nice striper, keeper striper.
Oh shit. He's taking
Yeah, I
off.
saw the boat. Okay, so whenever he does get ready, I'm gonna have you walk back to the left here, honey. And I'll get up here and net his ass. You know, a little weight and you lift. Got it.
Yeah.
Babe, get it. Got a keeper, buddy? Yeah, way to go, Matt.